Okay, so in last video we see how to get the value from list. Okay, and now in this section let's try some modification. Let's modify the list. Okay, so for that I'm just creating one more code section, and let me do one thing. Let's write employee list. Okay, and first position is equal to let's say Kumar. Okay, now just execute it, and now let me just print the print employee list. So what it should do, because as we have updated the item in employee list, so it should show me updated one. Okay, so ideally it should show Rahul, then Kumar, and then the phone number, because I have replaced John with Kumar, so that's why it is showing Rahul here, then Kumar here, and 999 here. Okay, so now let me do one more thing. Let me write like this, employee list, and let me change contact number as well. So let's say 9090. Okay, and print employee list. Okay, so now it should update contact number as well. So here you can see that it has updated contact number. So just updating this is very easy. Okay, in next section we will see how to copy a list. Thank you.